Fuzen is an AI-first no-code platform. It uses AI to assist you with no-code development, making the whole app building process completely effortless. The simplest way to build an app on Fuzen is to chat with our App Builder AI and describe your app requirements. AI will use our no-code tools to build a basic skeleton of your app. Then you can either ask AI to further improve the app or customize certain pages and features of your app. Or you can also directly edit the no-code blocks yourself. Either way, you can continue to improve your app functionality without having to do any coding. This makes Fuzen ideal for building micro SaaS apps. So if you want to build a CRM, or a project management app, or a marketing automation tool, or sales tracking workflow, Fuzen is here to help you. Fuzen comes equipped with all the building blocks that you'd need to build a SaaS app, and things like user guides, authentication, onboarding workflows, pricing plans. Payment gateways are already pre-built within Fuzen apps. That means building your SaaS MVP and getting your first 10 customers can be done in a matter of days. So what are you waiting for? Start building with Fuzen.